Well, hello, this is TripleChip here, and this is the Adventures vlog. What I'm going to be showing you today is, if you go to my other channel, TripleChip's Unbox the Box, I showed you guys the Squeak-Proof hinges that you can pick up at Home Depot. I got more in the description on that one. And to install them, I've already got them installed, so you guys won't have to watch all the boringness to it. So what you want to simply do is, when your door is off, knock the pin out, install your hinge on in the jamb on both of them, install it on the door side, then have somebody help you line up the hinge here, and just simply drop your pins in. You might have to wiggle them around a bit, and this is how the magic works. You hear that? You're not supposed to hear nothing. So that's it. They're the Squeak-Proof. They're guaranteed. They've been tested for 1 million open and close cycles. So you want to pick these up, Home Depot, go down there, get yourself some. Catch you in the next one. That's it for this one.